Hello guys, welcome back to another live stream. We are so back. In this one, I hope my camera will not give up on me, because last times it was just a bit annoying, but I'm just counting on it because I have some settings on that. And yeah, here we go guys. Once again, real life. My name is Orhun. I work on Ratty, Rust, and that's me. And I don't know why I did an intro actually. Like I have no idea. Hello, Glober Brennan. Brennan, welcome, man. How's it going? It's good to see you again, as always. Let me just announce this live stream on social media so people can tune in, join us, and watch this whatever this is. we'll figure it out, guys. But the primary goal today is to just look at the Ratty PRs, and hopefully we will create a release. But we'll see how this thing goes. Hopefully, like this time, my keyboard and my computer is not gonna give up on me, because the last time, oh man, Brennan, you already know what happened. Announce in Discord so people know. I have announced this on Grindhouse, so if you are watching from Grindhouse, shout out to you guys. Today is not going to be that wipe suffering. Yeah, the wipe suffering was horrible, man. Like, that was so bad. In case you don't have the context, in my previous live stream, I tried out a music program, and while I was doing that, my whole keyboard just died. So I had to figure out a way to somehow fix that, and I couldn't. I tried the voice command on ChatGPT, didn't work, and I had to just hard restart and come back to the live stream again. So that was extremely annoying. But today I'm just hoping that that's not gonna happen, and we're gonna be able to just do some productive work as in open source and Rust and terminals. So yeah, I got my mate over here. Today I have a different brand because I'm leveling up, guys. I'm leveling up. Look at this. It's not even, oh my god. Okay, let me, hell yeah. Mate. So today we're doing that. Today we are drinking a different mate, and also get my other drink, but we're gonna come to that later. Hello, Warren Gian Biker. I hope I pronounce your name correctly. But welcome to the live stream. First time seeing you. Welcome to my channel. In this channel we do all kinds of things, and it's super random. I'm not good at selling my channel. Hey mate, come to drink. Mate, my love. It seems that you love that mate thing. Absolutely, man. You gotta try it out if you haven't. It's so good. It's basically a tea, but with a lot of caffeine and very light drink as well. So it's not like you are consuming. You don't feel like this disgusted feeling. You know what I'm saying? Like sometimes when you drink coffee and you haven't eaten anything, you got this feeling, right? With mate, it doesn't exist, so it's pretty good. I don't know what you guys prefer actually, tea or coffee. I'm genuinely curious, because as a Turkish person, shout out to my Turkish homies watching, I prefer tea. So I like to get my caffeine from tea if possible. If not, I go for coffee. But this is just my opinion. So yeah, softer drink, tea. Shout out to Onural Cesar. My man is going for the tea. Alright. Perfect. I guess not many people are going for tea, but let's see. I'm watching the chat. Drop your preferences, okay? Thank you, man. Appreciate you just being open and preferring tea, because you know we are a minority, man. You know what I'm saying? We gotta just take care of each other as the tea lovers. As the tea lovers, we gotta take care of each other. We gotta just, we gotta try to spread the word, preach. Coffee for me. You know, like I told you, like I respect everyone's opinion, although they are wrong. But I'm just joking, guys. All right, let's get to work. So, Ratty. I am Black Sea, so you know what I mean. Here's the T-LAN. Is this project long term? I don't know what you mean by long term, but open source never dies, so open source is long term. Even though you don't push a commit for 10 years, it's still alive. I don't know, but maybe that's not true, but open source is a great thing. Someone can always take over your projects, so it never dies. If it's really useful, somebody will take care of it. That's the beauty, you know? You can just create a great thing, push to GitHub, and it's gonna be alive forever. That's amazing. So there was actually what was it, the GitHub archive program or something. This one. So archive program, preserving open source software for future generations. It sounds so epic, brother. So yeah, Arctic Code Vault. Do you guys know about this? So it's basically a thing that GitHub is doing. They basically take all the repositories and they just put it in a box and just bury it somewhere. This is what I got from it. Maybe the details are wrong, but you know, the idea is take everything, digitalize everything, probably in a CD or something, or I don't know what they use, but they just put that in a mountain somewhere, because yeah, that's safe, I guess. So yeah, like open source is forever. They are taking care of it, I hope. Like with the recent stuff happening on GitHub, I'm not sure if this is still alive, or maybe they have like stopped doing this, but at some point this was a thing. So yeah, I mean, not just like spiritually alive, but also physically alive too. I'm gonna need a package ready for my distro as well. We need to spread the Ratty, the tea drink with terminal as I should. Hell yeah, brother, hell yeah. That's what we gotta do, you know. That's what we gotta do. All right, so guys, we have this many PRs today. Let me pull up my Rust rover. Also, gotta say, I have configured Rust rover. Wait, I'm gonna actually change my background. I don't like this things that much. It's like some gas station. All right, there we go. It's better. So Rust rover is now like fully controlled with key bindings. That's amazing. Isn't that so good, guys? Well, it's now failing to build something, but so now like I can just fully use my keyboard to do things in here, and we will actually do a live stream about how you can achieve the same thing. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be probably on, yeah, I'm not gonna announce it, but that's one of my plans, so stay tuned. Yeah, we're gonna do it on JetBrains TV. Hell yeah. GitHub archived all my Garbanzo code. Brother Ferris, you just say that you have Garbanzo code, but no, that's just nowadays that's being used to train LLMs, you know. So you're just spreading that, brother. Who's this handsome fella? Welcome, baby. Welcome to my live stream. The meaning of my life, my beautiful girlfriend is watching the live stream. So guys, watch out. All right. Good morning, Vim binding chat. So that means NVim retired. Actually, I still use NeoVim for some light editing. I have Yeah, I still have my Neovim. But for the Rust stuff, nowadays it's mostly Rust Rover, Rat term, I think. Okay, let's switch to Ratty. Gold, silver, copper, man. Welcome to the live stream. Hope you like the quality. I'm working on my video quality nowadays. I feel like a proper Rust streamer now. Okay, I think it's looking good, right, guys? What do you think about the new camera? What do you think? Retro. Don't spread that, Ferris. That's one of my secret projects. Don't tell that to people, okay? That's still in discussion with the highest profile people at JetBrains. No, I'm just joking. Looks solid, hell yeah. But guys, okay, let me give you the news. I got an apartment. I finally got an apartment, so I will be able to move, and finally we're gonna have a proper setup instead of this shitty lighting and like shitty everything. We're gonna just have a proper setup. Right now, my tripod is actually just a box. So we're gonna have a proper tripod. We're gonna have a proper everything, brother. So just wait for that. Those are looking better than the old. Hell yeah. But fingers crossed, I hope it's not gonna overheat this time, because in the previous live stream and the previous one before that, like, it was just overheating and just like turning off. So I set some stuff on the camera, and I'm just hoping that it won't just randomly turn off this time, but we'll see. Camera is good, but we need more crap on the screen. Come also, yes, retro, new retro, guys. That's still in very heated discussion. So I cannot say anything about that. My manager's gonna be like, why are you announcing a project that doesn't even exist? Shout out to my manager. Shout out to Vitaly. I hope they're not watching. Nah, I'm kidding. Alright, that retro does not exist. You know, like it doesn't exist, right, guys? It doesn't exist. Like, there's no TUI based IDE at JetBrains right now, right, guys? Yeah. There's definitely not a TUI based. You're gonna convince those people. Give me some more time. Alright, so first one from Josh. Alright, so we just warming up. With what the hell? Okay, we are warming up with closing a PR. That's what real open source is. You should be confident enough to not open PRs but close them, because closing a PR takes a lot of mental. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna close it. Fuck it. I'm just kidding. Let's just close this. So basically, this one was about adding Ratty to Ratatouille website, and just as a part of the showcase. But Ratty, in case you're wondering what the hell is Ratty, let's actually run Ratty. You know, like I've been just talking about it for a while, but I haven't run it. So in case you don't know, Ratty is this terminal emulator, and I wanted to add this to Ratatouille website, but this is not actually a Ratatouille app. This is just a terminal emulator. So I was like, yeah, I mean, it's cool, but maybe not the right place. So we're gonna just close it. We're gonna close that. I saw some leaks, brother. What did you see? There's not. I didn't leak anything. Rule 1 of Retrover: do not talk about. Guys, sorry, I didn't mean to just share my mix. My girlfriend is gonna. She's gonna kill me. I'm just listening to music, okay? This is what they put as a cover. Guys, now I have more responsibilities. I gotta explain myself. But love you, babe. I love you so much. Alright, so moving on to some PRs. I was gonna say something. Yeah. Retro doesn't exist. Don't say that. So we have a PR from Gold, Silver, Copper actually. Man, are you online right now? We can maybe put you on the live stream if you want. But otherwise, I'll just YOLO merge it. Where is it? Alright, there we go. There we go. This one, I think. We need to basically rat term pull this. Wait, what did I change here actually? I don't even remember. Oh, I have some stuff here. Yeah, so guys, this is something that I've worked. I'm online but also working just YOLO merge. Yeah, I got you, but I think you need to, man, I'm sorry, but I think you need to fix some conflicts before I can do that, because I just remembered I fixed something in the demo. So there's this Rubik's Cube demo, right? Let me actually run it. Widget and examples, Rubik's Cube, it should be fine. Example, not examples, it's actually example. Wait, what? Manifest paths, this is kind of annoying, not gonna lie. We're gonna run it like this. So I'm in Zelish. I gotta exit from Zelish and run it here. So you see this Rubik's Cube is now being very nice, very colored, but the problem with that before I have done these changes was there was no color. So this is somehow fixing that, and I don't even remember how it's fixing that actually. I don't remember. Register payload with name. Okay, so maybe let's try to fix this first. Like let's maybe this one. What are the current changes do? Guys, I just YOLO fixed this before my presentation at Rust Berlin, so I don't remember actually like what I did. So we're gonna just check it out and see like what has changed here. So jumping to a file should be Control F, I think. Inline rs, and then we can go here. Like right now, Rust Rover feels like very much like my NeoVim, so that's pretty good. So we have some changes here, I think. Yeah, to touch two files changes this one before it. If a PTY read on the only first byte on an APC starts against. Alright. Okay, so give me a commit message for it. Maybe let's just commit this. I'm just gonna YOLO commit this to main, guys. Let's just YOLO commit this to main. Fix RGP payload. Conventional, brother. Conventional. Fix RGP, preserve chunked payloads. I guess that's fine for now. We can just commit that probably, push that, just YOLO pushing. So in my one of my recent live streams, I had Gold, Silver, Copper as a guest, and we talked about his refactoring for using Velo more effectively, and like upgrading the Bevy dependency and directly rendering on GPU instead of just rendering the image on, like first creating the image on CPU and then doing some stuff on GPU, and then, or was it the other way around? I don't know. Like this is the previous workflow. So we have like CPU, GPU, CPU, and now we only do one rendering on CPU, and then we just depend on the GPU for the rest. So that's a pretty good PR. So maybe let's run that. Okay, what happened? Did you force push to this? Direct GPU rendering clean. Let's just pull it again. It's probably fine. Okay, let's run it. Oh, what happened? Let's run it. Indexing. Oh my god, it's gonna fucking suffer a lot now. It's gonna suffer. My PC is not ready for this, man. What the hell? All right, I'm sorry if I start freezing, but basically what happens right now is, oh my god. Okay, 500 dependencies. We're so cooked. So yeah, this is like a huge PR with a lot of changes, and probably needs some rebasing and conflict handling. So we just gonna test this out, and then I will leave a comment if there's something wrong, and then also Vikopa will handle it. But while we are waiting, how is everybody doing? Stream starts instantly suffering. Bro, I told you, like, I told you. Alright, so am I still live? I think I should be live. Guys, give me a second, I'll be back. Hello guys, can you hear me? Am I back? Am I back? I should be back, right? Oh my god, what the hell is going on? I'm really fed up with this like technical stuff. Yeah, I'm live. I can see myself. Alright. So we can. Okay, cool. So yeah, cargo build and J is a good tip. Thanks for that, gold, silver, copper, but it's probably gonna take forever to build now. That's fine. That's fine. At least we're live, so that's what it matters. So yeah, I will get back to you on this, because right now, as you can see, I'm just suffering. I'm literally suffering to build. So yeah, maybe I can do 2 to just build even a bit more faster. But it's still so problematic. Like guys, this is what happens to Rust developers. Like at some point they just lose their minds because of this. So yeah, anyways, camera controls, I think left a comment, obsoleted. Okay, that's probably fine. How do Rust developers even stream? I have no idea. Like, I'm trying my best, but as you can see, it's not easy. It's not easy at all. It's not easy at all, guys. Need a dedicated compile box. Actually, that is true. Maybe hold on. Okay, I have an idea. So we can probably use the build server for Arch Linux. Just don't tell the Arch guys that I'm using this, please. That would be appreciated. Okay, 12 maybe. Oh, okay. Wait, I'll figure this out. So package builds Ratty. It's 13. Okay, so we're gonna go here, and then we can 13. Let's go here. Okay, so we need git rust, and then we can go to build. That green screen was a message from Arch Linux infra people. Green screen? Yeah. That's true. Okay, so we need to add your remote. We need to add your remote here. Git remote add, that's what there we go. Check out git fetch maybe, git fetch all. Let's go to direct. What is this branch? Direct GPU rendering. Clean. Your stream momentarily become green and then back to normal. Should be fine now, I think. Gold, silver, copper. Okay, so cargo built. There we go. So basically, like, I need to figure out how to how can I get files out of a arch and spawn container? This is not writing Rust anymore. This is just like, I don't know what this is. We are just basically doing a bunch of build issues, man. Just wanted to test this PR and now I'm just like, what am I doing? Alright, so oh, I can just copy it from a direct path. That's easy. DevOps. Welcome to my DevOps live stream, guys. Welcome to my DevOps live stream. Alright, let's see what we can check later. Okay, CI failed. That's amazing. Format widget. Oh shit. Okay. That's a bit bad. Okay, F. Oh, I need to format the widget. Style FMT fix code formatting for widget crate or something like that. I don't know. Ratty crashes on startup with double free corruption on NixOS. I have no idea. I don't have an NVIDIA GPU on this machine, so I cannot. I'm not sure if I can reproduce this. So target debug Ratty is where we have it, and if I exit this and basically copy this build Ratty target debug Ratty to here, and then we basically need to scp build arch linux org and then Ratty to here. How big is this? How big is this? Why is this taking 20 minutes? What the hell? What the actual fuck is going on? Like, am I gonna wait 20 minutes just to get this binary out of this? What? How big is this fucking Ratty? What the fuck? It's 1.3 gigabytes? What? Guys, that's crazy now. Like, That's literally a debug binary. There's no fucking way this is like 1.3 gigabytes. Yeah, it's their build, but like what? It's still like what the fuck? Okay, just build the release one then. What the fuck is going on? Ratty's bloated. Yes, it's bloated. It turns out. Welcome to Rust Game Dev. Holy shit. That's crazy. Okay, maybe in the meantime we can check the camera protocol. I should really use my other laptop for this. Like it's another ThinkPad and it has more resources that I can use. Like this right now, what I'm doing is killing me. Real debug build. Alright, so Ctrl-Alt-O, regular orthographic view, Ctrl-Alt-P, new perspective view. Alright, camera control. Toggle persp mode. Let's go to this one. Okay, let's go here. Perspective mode. Okay, we have a new entry, camera 1. We need to probably update the... You guys see? Do you guys hear the sirens? That's because I've been running Rust, like I've been running cargo build for so long that I actually created some fire hazard. That's why they're just checking. Rust devs should do what Python devs do when their program is slow. Rewrite the slow parts in C. Oh no. The difference is that you're rewriting C to improve the completion speed. Let's not use C, man. Like I don't want to do that. That sounds very annoying. I don't want to use C. That's the only reason. Nah, I'm just kidding. But like, let's not go back to C. Maybe Zig. Maybe Zig. I'm just being a fanboy right now. Like, it's been years since I touched Zig, and I'm now talking about Zig here. So yeah. Okay. How do I show the code actions here? No suggestions. I want to rename this. Can I do that by clicking maybe? Refactor. Rename Shift and F6. Okay. Perspective mode. Let's do this. Camera manipulation RGPRS. Bro, why is this taking so long? RGPRS, let's go there. RGPRS and line to camera manipulation. I'm curious how this looks actually. I probably should run it. Camera slots. Why is this commented out though? Why is this commented out? Everything is breaking today. What the fuck? I just wanna... I just want to like add a comment here. Why is this disabled? Zig does scale a lot better for big projects than C. Okay. Let me actually run this in the meantime. Cargo build J2. It's gonna take fucking forever again. I mean, look at this. I ran the release build like 5 minutes ago and it's still running. So you see, like that's how it is these days. Terminal presentation mode. Interesting. Terminal presentation mode. So we have flat 2D, warped 3D, perspective 3D, Mobius strip. Okay, so this is new, I guess. Okay, where's the changes, like the exact changes? It's just like, it just added like perspective 3D, okay. That's fair enough, I think. Let's just rename that though. No, I meant like the type perspective. Alright. It's still building. Hi came while waiting for compiling and watching the stream, which is also compiling. The stream is compiling, guys. We cooking. We cooking. We cooking. It's gonna take forever to build this. Should probably just get a build machine. Gold, silver, copper. You were right. I should get a build machine. I should definitely get a build machine. Like what? Like I don't want to spend like 15 minutes just compiling a Rust project. And by the way, this is not my machine. Like I want to show you the stats of this machine, okay? And you're gonna see like what the hell is going, like look at this. This is what I'm building on and it still takes like 15 minutes. Just imagine my poor ThinkPad. Yeah, we need to remove these comments as well. Please remove the commented out code. Oh, list of all slots. Okay. How did I manage to just not being able to drink Monster, man? What the fuck? Okay. That's unlike the new PC smell. What the heck did I just see? 96 cores, yeah. 96 cores. Somebody said C and Zig in one sentence. Can I ban? Chill, chill. Ferris, chill down, dude. Like, not yet, not yet. Let's wait. Let's warn them and let's wait. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Ferris, thanks for checking with me. But next time, don't. Next time, just take an action. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We're very friendly here. Okay, we're very friendly. Don't worry. You can say whatever you want. You can say you like coffee over tea or whatever. It's all good. It's still building, by the way. It's still building. Like, it's still building. It's still building. This is how you build. This is how you build. Hello, Sermons. Are you using any of the tricks from Bevy docs, like using dylib Bevy, using mold, reducing feature set of Bevy? Yeah, I have reduced the feature set of Bevy, but I didn't do the rest. Maybe I should. We do use reduced feature set, but no mold or dynamic lib. Yeah, there's no mold in our code, only Rust. Okay, maybe I can... Oh, it's gonna take fucking forever. How can I spawn another terminal here? Okay. I'm gonna just remove Ratty. Guys, now we're doing CI based development, which is basically pushing a commit and waiting for the CI, because that's the only sane way of doing this now. Like, I've been waiting for this build for forever now. Okay, let's do some like refactor clean up implementation. Thanks for the PR. I have pushed a cleanup commit and have a small question about one of the parts. Okay, let's submit the review. Because of the fact that it's stuck on the last step could mean the linking is bottleneck. I think switching from LLD to mold is pretty dropping. Don't need to recompile everything. Yeah, that's a good point actually. We could probably do that. I think I need to configure it in the local cargo config, and then we will be using mold or viled. I think viled is also good. Do you have any tips on reducing cargo dev release artifacts? It takes massive space if I don't delete it regularly. There is a garbage collector for the cargo for cargo artifacts itself. Maybe you can, maybe I don't remember, but it should be enabled as default now, but you can probably enable it if it's not enabled. Other than that, there are some tools for removing the unused artifacts. There is one from Sven, I think. Cargo generate. I don't remember remember his username, so I'm gonna just take a look from the cargo generate repo. But he created some tool for cleaning up artifacts. But no, it's not a problem that is solved yet. There isn't something that will satisfy you, I think. If there is, I don't know. Okay, 56 megabytes. That's fine. So let's transfer that over to my local environment. Yes, Sven has one tool for the artifact cleaning. And also there's, I think it was called, yeah, this one. Putzen. It's good. There you can find other projects like this as well, but most of the time it's a problem that is unsolved. So more that you compile, more artifacts it will generate and more space that they will take. And on my SSD, I think, like the external SSD, I have like 750 gigabytes of Rust. So I had to delete 60 gigabytes of shared cargo target folder just now, and my disk size is only 256 gigabytes. I feel you. I have the same issue. And yeah, it is what it is. Like, I don't know the solution to it. If anyone is using something for that, just let us know. That would be cool, because I don't know. All right, let's see. So you're checking out. We're checking out the PR from Gold Silver. Seems like it's working. This thing also works. Yeah, I think it's fine. It all works fine. I will probably merge the other PRs first. It all works fine. Okay, I'll plan something. I'll plan something here. Gold, silver, copper. Give me some time. I will create a release probably on Friday or over the weekend, so I can like look into that more. But for now, I won't merge it because there are like other PRs that will depend on that, and that will create some conflicts. STL support. I think this was also quite nice, and it should be ready, like, to be honest. We can try this one out probably. Alright, let's try to add the remote and try this one as well. Still building. No, I'm giving up on building. I'm giving up on building actually. 99, let's call it 99. Wait. Wrong place to run that command. I should run it in here. Okay, so let's go to main. Build again. Oh no. Wayland? It needs Wayland, okay. Fair enough. Never mind. So like I said, this is supposed to be mostly ready. Basically what this is adding is STL support for loading STL objects. So we can try this out. Where's the... It's supposed to be, yeah. STL. Okay, how can I find some STL file? Example STL object, guys. I don't know. Download free STL. Let's search it that way. Freestyle, no. Free STL. Let's try to find something. STL models free. These are just too detailed though. Like I want something very simple. Eyeball. Let's have an eyeball as a rat. In place of rat cursor, let's just have an eyeball. Do I need to create? Okay, I don't have to create a account. That's cool. So STL. Okay, 1 second. You'll probably ask where to download it. Okay. I'm still lagging, it's crazy. Objects. 95 STL. Okay, eyeball STL. Where is it? Move STL. Or I can just configure it in here in Ratty Toml. If we go to here, and we can just change this to assets, objects, STL, and then what was the name again? Eyeball STL. Eyeball STL, there you go. Okay, that's good. We're gonna have an eyeball as the cursor, hopefully. Alt up and down not being captured. I don't know how, like, I don't know why that's not still fixed, but yeah, performance stress testing report. Let's check this one in the meantime. Well, this is building. Come on. By the way, the camera didn't die. I'm quite happy with that. Like, it's still running. I'm probably freezing a little bit, but that's probably fine. That sounds quite useful. Maybe we could add that to the repo as a benchmark. Also, we have a performance boost coming with GPU. What was the direct rendering? Maybe you could try from that branch. Okay, there you go. It's been 3 weeks since they commented, but it's what it is. It's open source. Alright, copy paste not working in Neri. So I need to set up my other computer to test this out on Neri, and it's probably later. OCC envelope for RGP commands. Yeah, I need to test this on Windows. Like, I need to get someone to test it or test it myself. It's probably gonna take a bit of time. Probably I won't be able to test it. Like, having a Windows machine just to test these things is not optimal, you know? Anybody using Windows in the chat, maybe you guys can help me? Any Windows users? I haven't tested this and don't want to YOLO it without seeing it in action on Windows. Also there seems to be some conflicts and more coming with Velo. It probably needs some cleanup at some point. Some conflict resolution at some point. I'm anti-Windows, unfortunately. Hey buddy, doing my first Rust project. And guess what? As CLI using Ratty, this created awesome. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Rock and Brain. I'm super happy to hear that. What are you building? I'm so glad that you are enjoying the rat, enjoying the cheese, you know? That sounds amazing. Very nice. I think I merged this already, you know? Once the project is finished, I'll send you a DM. Perfect. I would be happy to share it around on socials and support the project in any way that I can. Also, feel free to submit it to our awesome list as well. We have a awesome Ratatouille repo where you can have different projects. I'm building a prank CLI game. That sounds interesting. I don't know what prank is. Are we talking about the prank, like pranking, or is it a game? It's probably some game that I don't know. But sounds really cool. Sounds really cool. Add GPU backend, GPU adapter module options for WGPU. Okay, is this a pull request? Yeah. It sounds fine actually, if it's not super big. We're still building, guys. We're still building. It's crazy. You're still building. Okay, let me check my notifications. Okay. How do we submit to the list you mentioned? It's quite easy. Just go to Ratatouille, awesome. Wait. Awesome Ratatouille. I will send a link to here. There you go. This is the list. Here in Brazil, we had an old website called Suid, which is God backwards in Portuguese. The CLI will be an oracle that knows all the answers. Wow, okay. Sounds really fun and kind of reminded me of Terry Davis for some reason. But that's cool. That's really cool. So feel free to submit your Ratatouille projects to this list. It's just creating a PR. Nothing complicated. So yeah, I'll be happy to merge them afterwards. Oh, I need to move that binary out of the box. Yeah, move it here. NSCP. Hopefully we will have an eyeball as a cursor, guys. That's what I'm trying to do here. That's what I'm trying to do. Maybe, you know what, maybe this light would be better. Now that I think of it. Yeah, it's kind of better though. At least on my side, it looks kind of better. All right. But yeah, I will fix my technical issues very soon. Bear with me. We're gonna have more quality and less issues at some point. So yeah, let's run Ratty and config file. Config Ratty Tomo. Let's see. It couldn't load it. Assets, objects, STL, eyeball, STL. That's correct, no? Wait, why is it not loading it? Wait, what the hell? It exists, so do I need to just give the full path? Do you guys saw that Next.js is rewriting the React compiler in Rust? Rust is going to the moon, guys. What? Next.js React compiler. Reach compiler. Rust. Is this made the news already? Nice. By the way, I think TurboPack is using Ratatouille in one of their things. They are using Ratatouille. I remember that. Wait, let me see it from here. Actually, it's supposed to be in Turbo repo. That's super cool. That's super nice. So, okay. Let's run again, by the way. Let's see if we're gonna have a eyeball. Oh my god. It actually works. Whoa. 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 Well, where's the eye? I don't see the eye here. Oh. No colors. No colors. Why is it... There's no colors though. It's kind of sad. Wait, let me go here. No colors. Mesh. I've just found a typo. It's typo. Start review. It should have a color though, like I see that there's some... No, I'm not sure. Do we have a color option maybe? But it's just gonna be like a static color now. It's just gonna be black eye now. It works, but like, am I correct with the expectation of having, like, is the expectation of having colored objects, is that correct? Because I'm not sure if we're supposed to have a color in STL files. Like, okay, STL viewer, let's have a look. Like, let's have a look at what we have actually. If it's just white, then yeah, of course, like we won't have GitHub rat term assets objects STL textures. Okay, we have a textures. Yeah, it's just that. But what do we have in textures actually? Read me. Here's my eyeball. I created this eye during a sketch fast. Okay. Then I don't know. Like, I don't know. Are we? Should I expect to have colors when I use an STL file? Apply textures. Love the idea of a 3D terminal emulator. I recently started learning how to code, but I want to know that this actually appeared on my YouTube recommended. Also, what ID is that? It's Rust rover. You have to apply a texture if you have, yeah. I think yes, but I don't know how to apply it. Does it apply feature? Does Ratty apply textures if I use an STL file? What's up, Orhun? I just know about you yesterday when I was searching about TUI for my terminal-based tic-tac-toe game, and now enjoying your stream. Welcome. Thomas Jan says 5611. Welcome to the live stream, brother. And one thing surprised me is that you have never missed GitHub contribution, not even once this past 5 years. Oh my god. I'm a bit obsessed with that. You're right. You're right. By the way, am I freezing, guys? Am I freezing for you? It seems like there's something is going on with the live stream. I don't know. Live stream. I don't know if am I freezing or no. Wait, let me check my live stream again. Your PC is on fire. Is the stream starting only for me? Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, once again, some things are happening. Okay, I should be back again. I don't know what the hell was going on, like... Test. I don't know. I have no idea. Bevy probably know how to apply animation in a proper way, wrapping, so you should have a nice look. Let me bring that thing back. How's the Bevy the engine working so far? Yeah, there's no like there's no texture loading as of now, it seems like. But I think it's still like nice to have STL support. Thanks, I just gave this a... Your music never lagging, that's the only stable thing. That's so weird, right? That's so weird. You're freezing and your screen also freezing as well. But I should be fine now, I think. Like, I don't have anything running at all. Like, it should be all good, I think. No? Oh my god, what the hell? Guys, give me a second, I'll be back. No freeze for me. Okay, I'll be just back. Give me 1 second. Okay, we should be good now. I just gave this a try and it works. There is no texture loading yet, it seems like, but it should be, but this should be a good start already. Update commands. You can see PNG apply in there for meshes, so you should be able to apply that to your STL file if you have proper loader. Yeah, I think so. Flake necks. Should be fine, probably. I think this is a good start for the STL loading anyways. Oh, format is failing. Camera control, that's wrong, that's not what I want. RS config. No, 99. GitHub repo set default. Okay, it's because I have multiple remotes now. Remote 99. Also widget. Oh, I cannot push to this branch because it's on main. God damn. Okay, we have to. That's a bit annoying, not gonna lie. We have to first merge this to main and then fix that, but yeah. Feed RGP support STL files. Yeah, let's just merge it. And then we can probably go to here. And then just style, FMT, fix formatting. All right. GPU backend selection. I think I'm just gonna YOLO this, to be honest. Just need to format the README first, and then we can YOLO this Nix README. README, save this once, and it should be formatted. We can actually just check this real quick. So GPU selection. On systems with multiple GPUs where default Vulkan device creation fails. Yeah, that sounds good. Style next, apply formatting to readme MD. Alright, push. Orhun, I don't know, did you deliberately include snake STL from or not? Oh, did I do that? There's a snake STL file in that? Oh, I didn't see that, bro. That's probably not correct if I included something like that. Let me check, let me check. Is there a snake file? Like, I didn't even see that, bro. Skate STL. Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't even see this. Okay, so that's actually good. I can probably try this out now. Like, skate. I think that's fine-ish. Okay, so what am I gonna do? Okay, that's thank you. Squash and merge. Feed next. Support eGPU device selection for next. Alright, that's good. Let's go to main again. We can try to build again, by the way. Oh, I can just SCP this thing and then we can check the skate file. Okay, and we're gonna go to here, move next Ratty to here, and then we go to here, and then change this to, let's change this to home, rat term assets objects skate STL. Then we just run this. Holy moly, man. Holy moly. That is amazing. That's funny. That's really funny. Wow. Okay. So apparently skate STL is just yeah. Yeah, guys. We have a rat. We have a rat just on a skateboard. That's cool, I guess. Okay, so let me change the scale factor to plane offset, animation, spin speed. Let's change this to 10. Maybe this. I don't know. Maybe that. New swag idea. Do an ollie. Funny. Okay, there you go. There you go. That's nice. I like it. I like it. Gold, silver, copper. By the way, can you now resolve conflicts? Because I think we are ready to merge your PR now. After the STL support, I will YOLO merge your PR. So please, if you have time, you gotta just write a prompt, man. When do you type something that IntelliSense pop-up coming from Ratty or any plugin for that? This is NeoVim. I just like use NeoVim for editing, but I don't know what you mean. Like what in this editor or in Rust Rover you mean? Okay, so I want to rotate that object. How can I do this? I am not sure actually. Dranzer. I don't know. I'm using Astro and Vim, and it's probably one of their plugins. You can probably check Astro and Vim. I'm not sure. Okay, so skate STL, I wanna like edit that rotate STL or something, I don't know. STL file online. How can I edit the I want to edit skate STL and rotate it a bit. Right now it looks okay, but yeah. Can you display 3D data diagrams using this? Absolutely. You can render any 3D thing. It's possible. Yeah, we still have some bugs. After your PR Gold, Silver, Copper, I will create a new release of Ratty. Just saying. Resting heading without shifting it away from its current cursor alignment. Okay, just do it. I don't care how you do it, just do it. Okay, did something. Good, but it's still wrong. It's still like not correct orientation. I want it to rotate it vertically 90 degrees counterclockwise. I don't even know what I'm saying. Awesome, my clanker is working hard on it already. Nice. To be honest, I don't know what this prompt is, but hopefully it will fix it. Howdy, Mohammed Aksham. Howdy, man. We just chilling. I got my drink over here. Monster. Okay. Can we just come on. It's supposed to be a good quality. Come on. Nah, okay. I still don't know how to use this camera, to be honest. It's still a bit weird. Okay, it again rotated. Okay, now it's upside down. Fix that. Cool. What are you working on, Mohammed? What's your grind? I think if it's able to see your face, it doesn't autofocus to closer objects, yeah. Energy drinks are bad for you. Brother, you're right. It is what it is, man. It is what it is, man. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Guys, check this out. We got a rat doing hella tricks. We got a rat doing hella tricks. Let's go. It's actually so fast. I want to make it slower. Spin speed. Let's make it like 4.4. It's just a very arbitrary number. Nice. That's good. I like this. I like this. Yeah, okay, it's just that made me a little dizzy. But nice. I like how it's spinning. I like how it's spinning. Okay, 2.4. Okay, I'm gonna copy this config file to somewhere. Actually, that's nice. I don't wanna lose this Ratty skate toml or something, and then we can move this Ratty binary to etc as well. Config chore assets. Actually, I don't remember, like, wait, hold on. Assets, objects. Let's do skate rat. Skate mouse. Assets. Update these skater rat skater object. That's good. That's good. Terminal user interface for WhatsApp. Wow. Okay, we gotta check that now. What we... my bad. WhatsApp using Waha. Manage your WhatsApp sessions, chats directly from terminal with intuitive tweets made with OpenTweet, but as earlier I'm thinking important to register. Yeah, please do, man. Let's see how it looks like. That looks quite nice. Oh, it's actually the same. Nice. I like this. Like, I like this. That's the same like the interface for WhatsApp. Yeah, yeah. Like, you could have better like terminal feeling if you use Ratatouille. Almost one-to-one. Yeah, got you. That's cool. That's cool. I'm gonna give it a star. Nice tool. Format is still failing. What? Why? Alright guys, I think that's it from the Ratty PRs. I'm gonna just take a look at what we have still. Camera protocol. I haven't tried this, but it looks quite promising, this one. This one didn't fix anything. Close this one. It's not. Get the camera on. Start it. Ma, get the camera. One more PR if it's okay about texture override. Simple PR is coming. Cooking compile. If not, it's okay. We'll open a PR anyway. Yeah, I mean, go ahead. I'm gonna close this one as well. I think this is quite dead at this point. Close pull requests. This one also, I'm gonna close it. Preserve text opacity when lowering window opacity. This one's gonna have a bunch of conflicts probably, so I'm gonna close that. This one is gonna be merged, this one probably as well. This one I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna mark it as draft. How do I convert to draft? Yeah. I'm gonna actually edit this. Support Windows via OCC envelope. Okay, there you go. So we have bindings in other languages for Ratty. It would be cool to use Python. Yeah, there are bindings. So if you go to Awesome Ratty repo, there's supposed to be a Python bindings repo somewhere. Oops. Python. Yeah, PyRatatouille, there you go. Actually, I'm gonna send a whole section to you. 1 second. Yeah, there are a bunch of issues, but we should be ready for a release very soon, I think. I have so many releases coming up, man. Bindings, where's the bindings? Bindings. Okay, there you go. Can I just have this as a link? Yeah, there you go. All right. So next one probably like 0.5, and I'm gonna release that on most likely either Thursday or Friday. So if you're a Ratty user, you'll get access to that at some point. But yeah, in the meantime, like, I need to cook the git cliff release as well. It's gonna take a bit of time, but yeah, the last one is in April, so I gotta cook that at some point. There's some regressions, and that's the plan, guys. I know since when I'm live streaming, but we're getting close to 2 hours, so let's chat a bit and then I will be out. So right now, if you have any questions or anything you want to chat about, use the chat, guys. Use the chat. It could be about anything, okay? You can ask me questions and ask me about life in Berlin if you want. I don't mind. It's now, you know, this is what I'm doing. So yeah. Looks weird on camera. Grindhouse, thank you for the Discord link. Thank you for the Discord link. So what about those rental places you're looking for? Find a good one yet? Actually, yes. I found an apartment. I can show you. I've shared it on. Like, I'm not gonna show you the apartment. You guys are gonna see it anyways when I move. But Discord. Let's check. You should make some video about your interview, how you went through, etc. It could be nice. Yeah, absolutely. That's a good idea. Berlin versus Ankara. Ankara is the place, man. That is the fucking place. So yeah, there you go. Got an apartment. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Got the keys. Just need to move. I just need to move. I just need to pack everything and just went to that place and then we moved. I need to get a desk though. I need to get a desk. I need to get a chair. Yeah, we're grinding. I was lucky because I ran into some good people here. So now I have a place to live. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Has the Europe heat wave hit Berlin? Absolutely. It was 40 degrees over the weekend. We went to a lake to swim and it was like we were just getting boiled in water. Like I felt like a crab being cooked alive inside the water. You know what I'm saying? So it was like it was hell. It was really bad. It was really bad. Wow. How does it feel to be out of World Cup twice? You're breaking my heart. Sad part is you did one event at Ankara and the day after I left I was kind of pissed and sad because you did one day later and I didn't see the event. Still, Ankara is an awesome place. Absolutely. If I'm gonna visit at some point, I will be there. So if you're there, happy to meet up. Just join Discord and I will probably share some updates there or just text me or and whatever. But yeah, some things are planned. Some things are planned. Event, yeah, got you. I have a little bit of Python background and now I want to try Rust. So how shall I approach Rust? Some advice. Read the Rust book. Oh, like really. Like, how can I say this? Really absorb everything, like the underlying features, the borrow checker, lifetimes, how Rust manages memory, because you're gonna like everyone else, it's natural. You're gonna struggle at those points. So I think following some well put together guide like the Rust book is the way, and yeah, you can basically do that and create some project. Maybe use Ratatouille, I don't know. Use Ratatouille, by the way, for sure. And that way you kind of have some playground and you can play with the language a bit, and then you build something. Maybe if you have an idea or if you just want to build some, I don't know, to-do list app, that's a good start already. So have some small project idea and just build it with Rust. And that way you have practical experience, and since you're reading the book and since you're getting familiar with the other like abstract concepts, it's gonna happen in no time. Don't worry, you got this. Even in Copenhagen we see 32 degree, bruh. It didn't happen since okay, my chat just disappeared. Okay, 1 second. Since 1975. Yeah, the heat is killing me. Like everyone is complaining. I am like, the other day I went to gym and it was like, oh my god, I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe outside. It's just too much. So so crazy, man. So crazy. Just 6 hours away. Read the book, write the book, and practice, and probably fuck up sometimes and learn when it comes to Rust. TLDR. That's a good TLDR. Yeah, I mean, you're gonna suffer. Okay. Let me be real here, okay? I'm not like the other Rust fluencers. I am being honest here. So you're gonna suffer, man. You're gonna suffer for real. You know how it is, like, if you wanna be great, you're gonna have great pain. Okay, don't quote that. Yeah. It is what it is. You gotta just You gotta just, like get used to the pain, man. It is how it works. No pain, no gain. Absolutely. Marco, welcome to the live stream. Good to see you, man. One second. The heat is part of the grind. Are you practicing the language? Do you mean German? Or which language you talking about? I just switched to the hotel's internet. I hope this is gonna be fine. Yeah, I might drop sometimes, but I think it's fine. Yes, German. Genau, Bruder. Ich lerne Deutsch. Ich kann ein bisschen Deutsch sprechen. Looks fine. If anyone wants to speak German, let me know. How's work going? It's quite nice, very busy. There are like so many things to do, but we are getting there. And now that I have a place to live, I think we're gonna do more things, more like bigger things. So it's nice. It's nice. I think we're gonna do more, and it's gonna be quite fun. So stay tuned, everyone. Every month I'm doing the Rust Berlin meetup. I'm doing some other live streams. I'm gonna announce all of those on social media, so follow me there and also join Discord. Did you check the Bitwig after the accident? Accident is funny. No, I actually have some friends living in Berlin, and they're like they're into music a lot, and they use Bitwig, and we talked about this with them, and they really advocate for Bitwig, and they got into my mind like I'm gonna try it out again at some point. So yeah, but not really. Like I didn't do anything in Bitwig after the accident. So yeah, I was thinking if Rust keep replacing C and C++, it will change the reverse engineering approach and Job himself. I'm not sure what you mean. Reverse engineering approach. What accident? Gold, silver, copper, man. Like in the Bitwig livestream, my keyboard died. Like literally it stopped working. So during the live stream I was only able to use the mouse, and I didn't have a terminal open. Like, okay, I tried to save myself from the situation by running some commands, but since I don't have the keyboard, I cannot run in any commands. So what I did was somehow use the browser to go to ChatGPT and use voice command. Literally, I said, save me. Like, save me from this. And it gave me some commands, and I copied them, but I couldn't paste them because I couldn't paste them anywhere because I didn't have a terminal open. And on i3, there's no way to no way to launch a terminal with the mouse click. So I was just stuck. It was really annoying. How hard did you press those keys? Rip the keyboard. Bro, I don't know why it's decided to die like that. Like, I was just not doing anything. It just like kind of stopped working. I guess Linux problems, but I don't know. It was really annoying. Text to speech with GPT. Yeah, like you can go and watch the recording. It's so bad. Also, you know the fucked up part? I cannot use the power button on my laptop because it's not working. It is literally not working. So I could not shut down the laptop. Like, I cannot use any keys. There's no way to control anything on i3 with the mouse. You cannot, there's no terminal open, and my power button does not work. So, like, how do I even restart? You know, I was like, am I gonna wait for the battery to drain? I'm like, what the fuck is going on? And then what I did was literally, like, on the bottom of the PC, there's a little like hard reset hole, and I found a toothpick, and I pushed that button to reset the whole motherboard, or like the whole laptop. It was annoying, man. So it became a grind laptop, never turn off. It became yeah. You don't restart, just talk to your laptop, bro. Yeah, I mean, i3, man, like i3, there's no way to, you know, like, yeah. It was so good. I don't know what you mean by so good. I was literally suffering. i3 is real keyboard way, true. But yeah, Bitwig Studio, I haven't really tried it after that. We did like a track on FL Studio, but that's it. So yeah, it was definitely really fun to watch though, probably. Alright, I got some emails to reply to now. Man, life is so busy. So you decided to create music and end up with a dramatized music with Bitwig and use keyboard as a MIDI device. Yeah, it was like that. It was like that. Join Discord, guys. Join Discord. But yeah, I think I'm done. So thanks for watching, everybody. This was a bit of a like DevOps and like, I don't know, like some Rust involved, but yeah, that's that's that basically. Like, I'm gonna try to be more focused next time, and probably gonna use my other laptop to do things because yeah, I need more resources, and that one has more resources. So yeah, I'm moving soon, so this might be the last live stream on this place. So I hope you guys remember this place and remember the hardships that I went through, like remember all the difficulties that I've lived through. So this place, I have lived here for a month. Okay, let me do a little speech. Okay, I'm getting emotional now. Good stream, finished rebasing everything. Will DM you when it's ready to merge after I do some manual testing. Perfect, thank you. So I've lived here. I have shared. I have closed my eyes on that bed. So many stories for your grandchild. Absolutely, man, absolutely. And I'm just very grateful that we actually made streams from this place. This place will not be forgotten, okay? It will be a part of my journey. One day, when I have my 10 square meters apartment in San Francisco, when I have $10 million in my bank account, VC money, of course, when I have no bed, I will remember this place and I will say, wow, I was living in luxury. Now look at me. I have this much money, but I don't have the warmth, the compassion, the vibes of this place. So yeah, that's that. Man, just enjoy your time and do your best and come back to Ankara so we can meet and enjoy a good talk and drink and do best in JetBrains. Absolutely. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. So guys, remember this place. Remember this place. This place is the shit, bro. I remember staying at a shitty hotel that was built in 1980 for 250 liras in 2023. It was fucking rotten. You're just telling that as a good thing, bro. Like, for real, it sounds good. It sounds good. I think you'll carry on the same spirit wherever you move. Special one, 7892. You know me, man. You know me. You got a special place in my heart, man. Thank you. This is just the beginning. We're gonna go far. Pasha or Berlin? Pasha for sure. So yeah, guys, I'm getting emotional. I will miss this place. I will miss this place from the bottom of my heart. This place, this shitty place in Berlin. We're gonna miss this. We're gonna have worse days. So we're gonna miss this place as a good place. We're gonna say, hey, we were live streaming from that hotel. Remember that? Now we don't even stay in a hotel. We're staying in a 5 square meters capsule hotel in San Francisco with $20 million in a bank account. And we cannot even touch that money because gotta build it. We got a rat product to build. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're manifesting, bro. You don't miss that place. Okay, just go to a new place and enjoy. yeah, I'm just joking. But yeah, I'm gonna miss this place for real though. Like, this is literally like the milestone for me. Milestone of starting a new life is this place. So probably I'm not gonna stay here again because it's fucking expensive, but it is a nice kitchen though. I'm not gonna lie, it is a nice kitchen. Manifesting for cursing the place, right? Bro, I'm just manifesting to go to San Francisco to have like $20 million in my bank account. What are you talking about? You're reduced from 10 to 5. Next sentence, you're gonna be homeless but billionaire. Oh man, like I would be a homeless billionaire, not gonna lie. I would like fucking build open source shit every day. Like, that would be great. Invest in the things that I like, that would be a dream life, not gonna lie. I remember when I first moved to America, we stayed in a small motel. It was nothing special, but it was always an amazing memory for me, because it was first place I stayed in. Absolutely, that's what I live right now, bro. That's the emotional value that this place carries. Know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's matter, but proud of you, dude. You're doing it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 20 meters is nothing, get 200. Bro, that's the thing. We just like downgrading. Life is about downgrade, you know? Like back in Turkey, I had, holy shit, I just scratched myself. Back in Turkey, I had chickens, like I have chickens as pets. Now what I have is just me in this room with no chickens. So downgraded, you know, like the next time you see me, probably in 5 years I might be I don't know what I'm gonna be. We're gonna see together. Clip this and stop ratting too much on that place. Discord is still banned here. VPN is the only way. Yeah, sadly VPN is the only way. I stopped using VPN when I moved here, kind of for a benefit of Germany. Probably the best thing. I don't know. Isn't that JetBrains doesn't allow you to work remotely from time to time? Yeah, I love that. No chickens, now you only have rats. But I had chickens and rats, bro. But actually, like, okay, let me tell you something. I'm planning to get a pet rat. I just need to make sure that, now that I said this, I need to make sure that the landlord didn't watch this live stream. Maybe I'll cut this part off, because I cannot say to them that I get a pet rat, you know. That wouldn't be cool. I don't think they would like that. Pyhole and Unbound goes crazy. Bro. Yeah, next milestone is getting a pet rat, probably. I don't want to call it pet, because that just sounds like it degrades its value, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want to call it a pet rat. I want to call it a rat. I'm getting a rat, guys. A full rat. Alive. With the belly, with the tail, with the ears. A full-on rat. Homie rat, absolutely. We all know you're just joking, no worries. Yeah, I'm just joking, guys. I'm just joking. When I get a pet rat, it's gonna be amazing. Like, it's gonna be fucking great. Life will change a lot. Like, fuck, man, I should get a pet rat, if you know what I mean. No, a pet you should call Little Chef. Yeah. Little Chef. I don't even know how to get pets in Germany. But I'm just guessing, if I go to some bridge and some guy just waiting under the bridge, I'll just approach him and then he will probably just pick out a rat and give it to me. That's what I imagine, because there's some like sketchy dudes just walking around sometimes in the city. They just look at you, and if you just look at them more than 2 seconds, they will just try to sell you something. I haven't approached them properly. Some people say that they're selling drugs, but I have some hopes that they are actually selling rats. Okay, so I'll approach them next time, and I'll say, this dude will be like, what you want, bruh? I'm like, give me a rat. Give me a rat. Black or white, doesn't matter. Give me a rat. Give me a rat. So, yeah, that's my goal. That's my goal for sure. We're gonna have some cool shit. Actually, you know what? Let's just actually like how to get a pet rat in Germany. Guys, I'm serious. You must adopt at least 2 or what? No way. No way. You must adopt at least 2 to 4 rats together, as a solitary confinement is illegal. There's no fucking way. Okay, guys, I'm getting 2 rats actually. I'm getting 2 rats. Tierheime. Okay, rats. Holy shit. I just have to get 2 rats now. I just have to get 2 rats, okay? I'm getting a rat for real. I'm so excited for this. I'm excited for this. They can misunderstand if you use the word rat a lot, they might be scared. Yeah, like legal requirements, group size, you cannot buy a single rat. What? Rats are social and need friends. Hell yeah, bro, I'm getting 2 rats. I'm so excited. Most rescues will not let you adopt fewer than 3 or 4. Whoa. Space standards. Whenever occasions German is like, it must be at least. That's fine. Adopting from shelter usually costs around 15 to 30 euros per. Fuck it, we're getting 10 rats, bro. We're getting fucking 10 rats. We be becoming the fucking piper, man. Let's get it. 300 euros for 10 rats. Every major city has a shelter. Okay, let's check the shelter. We're checking the shelter now, guys. Holy shit, I'm so excited. Okay, animals. Animals. Other pets. Pigs, chickens. Other pets. Mice. That's not. Okay, that's the closest thing to a rat, I think. Yeah, always keep mice in groups. Social animals. Okay. If you like watching these lively animals, enjoy designing their enclosure, mice are the right pets for you. This became these small rodents do not like to be stroked or picked up. No! Under no circumstances should children mistake mice for cuddly toys. Mice are also very delicate and fragile animals. If you need to move your pet to clean the home or visit to vets, you should carefully remove the small rodents from the enclosure. They are vegetarian. Okay. Well, that kind of sucks. I was just planning to cuddle with them, but whatever. Okay, golden hamsters. Loners. Okay, golden hamsters prefer to live alone. Real loners. They're like me. No, I'm just kidding. Therefore, you cannot keep them in pairs. Maybe golden hamster is better. Maybe I'll get a hamster. I don't know. I'm not getting a pig. I never saw that rat owning standards before. Yeah, me too. Me too. Maybe you can talk to Jan Hohenheim about it. I don't know what that is, bro. Okay, wild animals. How do I find one? Okay, search now. Let's find an animal shelter here. Berlin, Leipzig. There's one in Leipzig. Fill out an application form. Contract. Do I have to sign a contract to get a rat? God damn, bro. The rattery. Image coming soon. Is this a company? Just okay. Berlin. 5 kilometers search facility. Let's see. It's the Bevy Rat. Oh yeah. Sorry, my bad. Yeah. There's no no shelter in Berlin. That's kind of sad. I need to travel to far from Berlin to get a rat. Man, getting a rat is difficult, brother. Okay, German Animal Welfare Federation. Alright, Berlin Animal Shelter website. Tierschutz Berlin. That sounds good. Accept everyone. Okay, rat. Online shop. Can I buy a rat from the online shop? They don't have rat. Oh, these look cute, man. These look cute, man. Okay, this is not the shop that I want. Ratty is a cool name if you open a coffee shop. Maybe my PR is merged by way, manual tested, all visual examples, Word 3D, all works, RT colors, RGB works well. Okay, got you. I will get you. I will get your PR merged soon. I'm kind of busy right now with some stuff, as you can see. Zeus. What up, man? You look cute. What are you? I am Zeus and ended up in the animal shelter for financial reasons. Chinchillas. Is this a rat? Hell yeah, bro. Zeus, man. Let me get you, Zeus, man. Looks he's like really cute. I can apply here. Okay, that's kind of cool. Poseidon. What are these names, bro? Is this a chinchilla again? Yeah, okay. We have 2 rats. Digus. What is this? Is this a squirrel? Small animals. Okay, I don't want a rabbit. What is this? Kessie and Basti. These are rabbits. No, I don't want a rabbit, bro. Okay, Zeus is I like Zeus, man. Zeus is cool, man. Zeus is a fucking goat. Not gonna lie. Look at the ears, man. Look at the ears, man. PR means pet rats. It's going so much paperwork, probably. Like, I just want Zeus, man. Come on, give me the Zeus, man. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Chinchilla. Is it hard to take care of chinchilla? Moderately hard. They can live for 15 to 20 years? Holy shit. Temperature control, special diet, no water baths, long time commitment. Holy shit, man. 20 years? 20 years? Holy moly. Chinchilla. It's kind of cool though. Like it's a rodent. Chinchilla cage. Let's see how it looks like. Oh shit. No, that's a cage. No, that's a big ass cage. But like, I would love to have some Zeus in my apartment. Not gonna lie. I just need to hide it when the landlord comes in. Gotta see you later, man. Thank you for joining, man. Appreciate your existence in this live stream. All right. Anyways, we learned some cool stuff here. I will check this page from time to time, and yeah. Oh, birds. Oh shit. I love birds, man. Oh, Walter, my man. What's poppin', my man, Walter? Walter. There's a chicken. Chillin', man. It's So-called farm animals. Nice. Exotics. No, I'm not interested in that. Cats. Nope. Dogs, no. But like the Zeus and this Zeus guy and like where is it? Walter. Walter is my man, bro. Walter is the chillest of them all, man. Chill. Look at this fella, man. Look at this fella, man. Check this fella, man. Walter. So-called farm animals. Yeah, it's funny. Alright, guys. It's been fun. But gotta go now. Hope you enjoyed this live stream. There's a bit of a hiccups going on in the beginning because of Bevy and Rust compile times, but hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna sign off now. Have a good grind, everybody. Have an amazing grind. I guess. Ciao. Auf Wiedersehen.